Hey Houston County teachers, it's Megan Spigner. I am one of the people that started Teachers Teaching Teachers, and I just wanted to personally invite you to our next event tomorrow night at Mossy Creek Middle at 4:30. We have a great lineup for you. We have all these classes of teachers teaching their passion, and what better way to learn about something new than from someone who's just like you. I want you to know that there are going to be 10 classes, and those 10 classes are going to be held for 4 different parts throughout the night. So each class will last about 25 minutes. You get to choose what classes you get to attend. It's more of a choice board for the night. It's awesome. You should totally join us and come learn something new. Get recharged, re-energized for the next few months of school, because you know your kids could benefit from it, other teachers could benefit from it. We're excited to have y'all over at Mossy Creek Middle tomorrow night at 4:30. See you there.